guys, I'm back again, and today I am bringing you a hot mess. Okay, this deserves like an explanation. Yesterday, my Jeffree Star Thirsty palette arrived. I got it on a great discount. It's like never that much off, and for once a year or so, Jeffree Star items in the Ici Paris XL are on discount, but it's usually like 10%, maybe 20%, but this time it was 30% off, so I had to snatch that palette. It's exactly what I did, and yesterday the palette arrived, and we also received an email the day before that the Styletone boxes are shipped out. So I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do this sickening look, like yellow and blue with that palette, and then I'm gonna sit down, I did my hair, and I was gonna film, and everything was gonna be perfect, and I did not receive a Styletone box in the mail. So today I made another sickening look with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I did like this orangey, peachy toned of a look with a matching orange peachy liner. It's like something different and outside of the box for me personally, especially not having that black liner, because I always have black liner on, like in the eye. Well, not always, I shouldn't say always, but it's either black or nude. And this time it is like bright hot orange. Like on camera it's but in real life it looks sickening. Okay, I know, because I got a lot of compliments and I feel amazing. But why am I a hot mess right now? Today I did another look, like I said, and I was waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and no box arrived. So I figured, screw it, I'm gonna do another look tomorrow. I love this look, so I figured I'm gonna do it tomorrow again, and then the other look that I did with like yellow and blue, I'm gonna do it for, I don't know, another video. But I like literally just came home. It's like around 8 at night already, and I found this little sucker in the mail. I already opened it up because y'all know my frustration with boxes. It's gonna take forever. My battery's gonna die on me. So I already pre-opened it. But I found this and I was like, you know what? Why waste a good makeup day look? Well, I mean, I'm a hot mess now. But I just didn't feel like doing it all over again tomorrow. It's like the third time, like, no. That was a hell of a long intro for just basically saying I look like a hot mess. Like my shirt doesn't even match my makeup. Nothing matches today, but screw it. We got the Styletone box right here. And this is, hold on, the booklet. And this is the inside of the box. We got a lot in the satchel. So yeah, let's just get started already because I'm yapping for 5 minutes. Yeah, it's time to start. Okay, so why not grab the first thing I see, which is Plump Up the Volume Pouty Lips. And I'm just gonna assume this is gonna be something to something tingly, something, you know, to kind of make your lips bigger. I got myself big lips, so I definitely don't need them even bigger. But ooh, oh, wait. It's like clear. I don't want to open it. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I'm just going to be honest. This is what that little fella looks like. But it does kind of look like a clear gloss. So you know what? I'm just going to open it. Does it have like a light? No, it does not have a light in there. Oh, that smells like peppermint, like straight peppermint. Wow. Oh, that's going to tingle a lot. Okay, I'm really excited about this, even though clearly I have big lips, I don't need them bigger. But let's see where it is at. It's right over here. Pouty Lips. It's a lip plumper, like I said, and it costs 17 euros. Okay, so let's just grab the other thing that is not in the satchel. It's really big, this. And this is from Skin and Tonic London. It's a sea salt body scrub from, no, not from, I mean, it's bergamot, rose, and spearmint. Wow, a lot of minty stuff in here this time. British, organic, sustainable. Okay, so this is what that little sucker looks like. It is a reusable, what do you call this thing? Satchel thing, because you tear it up here and you can like click it closed. So that's amazing. I love it, especially when they're like natural ingredients. So let's see, it's made with just 7 ingredients. It's sea salt, sunflower seed oil, bergamot fruit oil, spearmint, there we go, leaf oil, almond oil, lavender flower oil, and rose flower extract. So that is what it is. I love this. So let's see how much this costs, shall we? Where is it? It's right over here. And the Skin and Tonic Sea Salt Scrub cost 15 euros. Okay, so now we're going to move to the satchel that says beautiful things inside. There are 1, 2, 3 items in here, and the satchel is empty, and I'm actually having more fun now with the satchel than I do with the items because I love me some good bubble wrap. Okay, so we're back again because I need to calm myself down. So we have from Ami, don't know how to pronounce this brand, like Smooth Finish Pressed Powder. Powder? This looks like a bronze. Oh, thank God, it is a bronzer. I was like, powder? This is way too dark to be powder. But it is a bronzer, and honestly, this is like the 2nd bronzer in a row that we got. Like the last box, we also received a bronzer, so I don't know what's up with that. It was not sealed, so I will open it. Am I going to use it? I don't know, because I have a hell of a lot of bronzers right now, and I don't really use bronzers all that much. So I know about this. Let's see how much it costs, shall we? It's right over here. It's from Amy, I don't know, something, AME Beauty, let me just put it that way, and it costs 11 euros. Moving on to something in a little tube, which is Mine Tan. Are you joking? Gradual Tan Color Extender. We just, like literally just received in the Belux box, I want to say. Yeah, it was the Belux box. We received that little sample size tan stuff, and now we got tan stuff again. Okay, but this is the Invisible Color Everyday Glow Gradual Tan Color Extender. This is what that little sucker looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but clearly this, wait a minute, Styletone only always has full-size items. This cannot be, you gotta be kidding me. For a tan, like a self-tanning stuff, this much? I'm sorry, I don't buy it. I don't think this is a full size, unless this is meant for the face. Apply lotion to freshly cleansed skin. Smooth on evenly and blend thoroughly. Use sparingly around knuckles, knees, ankles, elbows. No, so this is definitely for your body. And this is how much? Hold on. 30 milliliters? I'm sorry, Styletone. I do not believe that this is a full size. There's no way in hell this is a full size. And I'm probably going to fall off my chair when I see the price as well. Let's see. Where is it? It's over here. Yes. So it costs, it's from Mine Tan, and it costs $14.99. It says over here 1.01 fluid ounces. 1.1, yeah. I don't believe that this is a full, like, no way. Who are the investigators of these boxes? Is this a full size? Because that's a hell of a lot of money to get this small of an amount. Because this is, dude, this is like not even going to be enough for one leg for me. I can assure you that. And yes, I know it says use sparingly, but for my big ass body, this ain't going to be enough. I can assure you. So I don't know. Don't know. Okay, last item box is empty. This is, ooh, it's a lipstick, isn't it? Oh my God, it looks so freaking gorgeous. So it's from Style London, and the tube looks freaking awesome. Like, wow. Oh, it's sealed. Wait, what color is this? Is it brown? Please don't be brown. Pink Flower Jelly Lip Balm. Is this a lip balm? Wait, is this like a tinted lip balm, or, because it says over here it's a jelly, what does it say? Pink Flower Jelly Lip Balm. So I'm just going to assume it's pink. I don't know. We need to open this sucker up, so give me a minute. Another 5 hours later, we finally open this fella up, and There we go. So, holy shit. Okay, so it's not a pink lip balm at all. Oh, it smells so good. That smells so good. And it's got a teensy weensy little flower in here. Like, oh my goodness, can you guys see that? How freaking cute is that? I actually do know these lipsticks because I've had them in the past as well. Also lip balms where, you know, the flower is inside. But, hold on, before I say anything, it's from Style London. Like I said, the Jelly Flower Lip Balm costs €17.05. But what I don't understand is, why do we get two of the pretty much same items? Because they're both like kind of balms. This is just a gloss and this is an actual balm. And this one is for, you know, pouting, you know, the make your lips fuller. This one clearly is not, it's just a balm, but still, it are two clear lip items. I'm a bit confused. I just don't understand why two, we could have had this month and this the next month, but why in one box? Maybe I'm just nitpicky, I know, and I apologize, but I don't understand. Okay guys, that was it for this month. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I'm old. Okay, but we received 5 items. Definitely very like summer items and like I guess airport safe items. This is just 30 milliliters. But yeah, very summery, very I want to say like barbecue with friends type of a thing. It's okay. I like this box definitely, but it's not the best. I mean, let's face it. I'm not really sure. Still, I'm kind of bummed out about this fella because I still cannot believe that is a full size. And if it is, shame on them to charge somebody 15 bucks for that small of an amount. And even though I like them both, I just don't understand why two in one. You know what? I'm just nitpicky. I need to shut the hell up. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about these products? And yeah, for the investigators, I'm gonna investigate as well, because something's fishy going on here. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I'm such a hot mess today. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. I already said that like 3 times. Okay, I need to shut this video off. Bye.